Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to share this design or any design with anyone else. So he or she can also do some editing in this design. So let's start. First of all, what you need to do is come here to the share button and click here. So what you will do you will come to this part access level and click here. So when you there will be multiple options here. Here there is an option, uh, anyone el anyone with the link, so anyone can access the design using this link. So click here and copy the link. So once you copy the link and share with any of your friend or anyone else, so he or she can also do editing in this design. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.